In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add external partners in Slack. We'll walk through the exact path inside Slack so you can send a clean, secure invitation without any confusion. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage members, since some options only appear for admins or owners. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. Click the official Slack website to open it, then sign in if you're prompted. If you have access to multiple workspaces, choose the one where you want to add your external partner. Once Slack loads, look to the top left corner and click your workspace name. A menu will slide open. From here, select Tools and Settings. Next, choose Admin Tools. Menu wording can vary slightly by plan and region, but the path is the same. Inside the admin area, click Manage Members. This takes you to the central place where you can see current users and send invitations. On the Members page, find and click Invite People. In the Invite window, enter the email address of the person you want to add as an external partner. Type slowly and double-check for typos. Invites are tied to the exact email you enter. If your organization uses domain restrictions, make sure that email domain is allowed, or you may need approval from a workspace admin. For the role, select Invite as Member, as shown in this guide. Your organization might use different roles for outside collaborators, but here we're inviting them as a standard member according to the current setup. When you're ready, click Send. Slack will email the invitation right away. A few quick tips as that invite goes out. The recipient may need to check their spam or promotions folder. Some workspaces require admin approval before the invite is finalized, so don't worry if it shows as pending for a bit. If you don't see the Tools and Settings or Admin Tools options, you likely don't have the required permissions. Ask a workspace admin to complete the invite. After the partner accepts, you can manage their access from the same Manage Members page and make any adjustments your policies require. And that's it. Open Slack, navigate through Tools and Settings to Admin Tools, go to Manage Members, select Invite People, enter their email, choose Member, and click Send. You've added your external partner to Slack the right way.